Hi, I am Sahil from serverfather.com, and today we can see how to use EHCP control panel. EHCP control panel, it's a good thing about so many things are good about EHCP control panel. And here we can see the glossy buttons. You see here, it's a sky themes. When you mouse over the icon, it will glow. This is the very nice thing about look wise. It's a good EHCP control panel. You can see the menus are glow. And another thing, you had so much of option about template. First we can start from template EPIC. First we can choose, and you see here this is the another theme of EHCP control panel. It's a green. Now we can see the XP5 option. So the look is like Windows XP. And then from template options, XP4. Now you can see the similar look of EHCP control panel. Default is a Ubuntu look. Actually it's look like a Ubuntu. Here you can see the options are changed, so again we can change the look. XP5Z7, so again the look is changed. Sidebar had the menu right now, and from front you can also see the menu options. All options are seen here. Again we can go through template, and when we click Ubuntu, you see this is our default look. OGI media, here it's a similar, you can see here similar like a C panel. It's a look like a C panel. Okay, again we change the template. If you are so much user, you are using a C panel so much, then it's a good look for you. Dark blue. Oh, here you can see like you are entering in some games. It's pretty good. Debian, this is our operating system, it's seen here. It's a nice thing. Now new, so this is the new template. Now we can go again on a sky. So friends, this is about template. You can change the template from system option, system, and change template. First we can see how to add domain in EHCP control panel. So in domain option, click on add domain, and here is the options. First I write the option spiderfinder.in. Panel username, so I am given here admin. Same password 1234. FTP username spider, password is 1234. Quota, what quota you want to give? It's a 1024 MB we give, means 1 GB. What uploading bandwidth, so we can give the 1024. Downloading speed is 1024. You can give anything here. If you want to give unlimited, then you can give the unlimited. You have to see what is your speed. So now we can do the submit query. Admin, you see here the error means admin is already exist. So now we can go again on a dashboard, add domain. We can choose different name like LX. Oh, sorry. Domain name is spiderfinder.in. LX. Password is 1234. FTP user is LX 1234. You can generate the password as well as it's the best thing. 1024, 1024 and 1024. And your email ID. Do not forget about your email ID. Now here we go. Here you can see operation completed successfully. So now we hosted the domain and list custom DNS. Here you see the more options, so we can go through list DNS options, add custom DNS. We can also add the custom DNS from here. Add, here is the list, and add custom DNS. Custom DNS be added for domains with a slave DNS. If you just upgraded your EHCP, try log out and log in back. Okay, so we log out and log in again. Admin 1234. Here from C again, list domains. So we have a spiderfinder.in. We click on a spiderfinder.in and edit DNS template. So this is the default entry of our DNS IP. You can see here, this is the default entry for our DNS. So we can again go through dashboard, list custom HTTP, add custom HTTP. So if you want to add something like HTML, add and we give here title welcome, body h1 serverfather.com h1 body and HTML here. No comment and submit query successfully. Now we can type here spiderfinder.in. This is the under construction default for page of EHCP. Now after C, how can we add the custom page? And from now we can also see how to add a domain, add-on domain. If you want to add a add-on domain, then you can click here and just create a FTP username and a password, John, and generate the password from here automatically. Submit query and domain name. So here we can add serverfather.com. Submit query. Here you can see we can add the add-on domain. Now we can see how to add FTP. So from here in FTP you can first of all see users. So we use the Alex and John adding, and if you need a new FTP user you can add from here. You can also able to give the download bandwidth, upload bandwidth, quota, and password and username. So for testing purpose I am using it. I am giving the Adam and generate the password, submit query. So you can see it's a very easy. Add FTP under this panel. So if you want to add under this path, you can add it easily. Okay, we are not adding anything here. Now the third option is add FTP to specific domain. Okay, if you want to add something on a specific, we select a spider finder. If you want to select here, and if you need a subdirectory FTP user, so Trinity is FTP user, email ID serverfather@gmail.com. Submit query. You can see it's a subdirectory. Okay, add subdomain with FTP. If you want to give the subdomain, so you have to click on any domain, click on a spiderfinder.in and info FTP username Alex2, password generate, and email ID serverfather.com. Submit query. Now we have the FTP and info.spiderfinder.in. Here you can see it's already hosted one of the subdomain. Now we can see file manager. So here you have to give the IP address of your server, username, password, initial directory, and login. Then after you'll find all directories over there. Okay, we are not logging right now. The second option is email. List all emails first. So here you can see there is a no record, so we can first we have to add email address. Which domain? So spiderfinder.in first, mail username, info quota is 500 MB, 123 is the password, auto reply, submit query. We not give anything over there. So you can see it's very easy to add emails. Now we can go into list. You can see here there is a one email address, and if you want to use it, go through squirrel mail, info and 123. Username and password is wrong. It's give us a error. So we do one mistake. We have to give in this format. Here you can find now it's a squirrel mail, and we can easily use it. If you want to send a mail, then you can go through compose, click on compose, and give the email address father@gmail.com. Testing. When you write, just click on send. That's it. Your mail is gone successfully. Same like round cube is the same like that. You can use the round cube as well as, both is good. Here from list MySQL database, you can see the list. MySQL admin, there is no record. Add MySQL database and user. So we select spiderfinder.in. DB name, so we give a WP user, password 123. Submit query. Here we go. Now we have the username. Sorry, we have the database, WP DB name, WP user in localhost. Okay. Add MySQL database to existing user. So we can add a database in existing user like a WP user, and if I want to add any data like WP2, submit query, and it's very easy. You can see here, add MySQL user to existing database. It's a reverse option. You can give the database WP new DB user, new WP and password 123. Now you can see operation completed. phpMyAdmin. In the next session we can see the whole video tutorial of phpMyAdmin, how to use the phpMyAdmin. Here we can see the database, whole database we created. We can see easily from here. WP2, we can see here all database which we used, and from here list backups, so there are no backup. Generate backup, so we can do the submit query. My email, enter different if you wish. This is my email, and submit query. So you see, one site files, one MySQL database, everything is backed up. Now when we see in a list backups, so here we have a one backup of our server. It's a very easy to use EHCP control panel. If you want to restore your backup, you can restore it also. Server status, you can see the status of your server. Here we see we installed Apache and it's started. Engine server is no, MySQL is yes, VSFTPD bind and a postfix is running good. Here we can see the CPU numbers and our model name of CPU and which service is running right now in a server. We can see each and everything from here. So this is a whole overview how to use the EHCP server. Thanks for watching this video. I am Saif Khan from serverfather.com.